Hey guys, Zavin out at Murs Farm Equipment. We're running special on Cordex. We're offering the best net wrap in the industry. We don't sell cheap stuff, but we still offer the best prices out there. Increased tensile strength equals less wraps, which means more cost efficient. Cordex has long been known for extremely competitive pricing and offering the highest strength net wrap around. If you have not used Cordex round bale net wrap products, you don't know what you're missing, guys. Minimum length guaranteed. We're talking easy load reusable handles. Pick it up, throw it in the back. Made out of polyurethane, comes with an extra UV protection layer. They also carry an extreme line of Cordex net wrap, which is for your more rugged bales, your corn stalks, your straw, all that. So swing by, get your pre-season prices today, give us a call. We're ready to hook you up. Cordex net wrap.